Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I organized my art chaos. This cupboard has literally everything from paint to markers to glitter to stickers to water paint, paper, brushes, aprons, whatnot, you get the point. And you can see that it's really chaotic. So in this video I'm gonna organize this and show you how it turns out. I'm gonna start with something easy and just put markers in this bag. And I think I'm gonna have to empty everything before it gets worse before it gets better, right? So let's see. Put all the markers in here. I've got more markers as well, but let's see. Maybe I'll just keep that like this for now. And then I'm gonna start emptying all of it. I'm a little bit stressed about this, to be honest. Not gonna lie. My glue gun. I mean, how do you organize these spaces? If you got any tips, please do comment below, or if you made a video about how to organize your crafting area, I would love to see it. Alright, let's open this up and see how it turned out. Here you go. So it is still quite full, as you can see, but at least I know where everything is. We got the paints here and on the side, some more down there, papers, got stamps in here, some more paper in here. I've got stickers in these ones. Then I've got pom-poms, ribbons, palettes, splash mats and table covers, a sewing kit, scissors, got some glitters behind the scissors, then we got pom-poms. Behind the pom-poms we got tape and glue, and then over here is water cups and paint pots. Then we got canvases, glue gun, scrapbook, beads, ribbons, markers, brushes are in here, and then we got these pegs. And what else? I think that's about it. Now I feel at least a tiny bit more organized, and it will get easier to pack my bag for art classes. It's time for me to start preparing for tomorrow. Another busy day coming, but I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. And if you like it, press the thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, hit subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!